Assalamu alaikum class 2 day 16 open Oxford Progressive English book plus English A notebook. Okay, today we are doing exercise D and exercise F on English A notebook. Write 6 questions. We are doing only 4 questions in our notebook. Okay, now look at the board and open your notebook. Write unit number, page number, exercise. This is F and this is exercise D. Write 4 sentences in your notebook about what you like doing. Okay, it's up to you. I like playing with dash dolls, with bat and ball. It's up to you. I like reading. I like watching cartoons. I like riding bicycle. Okay class, open your English A notebook and note down exercise D in your English A notebook. Prepare your page first, date, CW and day. After that we do exercise F. Okay class 2, open new page, prepare it, date with date, CW and day. Unit 4, page 25, exercise F. Fill in the blanks by using how much, how many, a lot of and a little. We use how much, a lot of and a little for uncountable thing, the things we can't count. Or how many, we use how many for countable things. Look, first one, dash milk is left. Look, dash milk is left in the jug. How much? Because we can't count milk, we just measure it. We can't count the drops of milk. Dash eggs do you want to eat? We can count the eggs, so it is countable. Write how many here. Write capital H and many. Okay, next. There is dash sugar in a bag. Again, sugar is uncountable noun, so there is a lot of sugar. Write it nice in a bag. Or there is milk in a jug. There is a little milk. Again, it is uncountable noun and we are using is here because sugar and milk is uncountable. So we use is here. We are not using are because they are uncountable noun. We can't count the particles of sugar and the drops of milk. We just measure them in kgs and liters. Okay, note down these in your English A notebook. So unit number 4 is completed today. We start a new unit number 5 in the next class. Allah Hafiz.